What's going on? This video is going to be how to swap out your stock triple clamp on your F4i for an aftermarket one. I have the ssmoto Stunt triple clamp, and I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. Here's some of the tools I'm going to be using. I pulled it up underneath my tree, and I'm pretty much just going to be using this tree's branches right here and right here. I'm just going to use some ratchet straps and take some weight off the forks, so when I loosen up my top triple clamp, it doesn't get in the way. Those bolts and those ones right here are all you really got to take off or loosen. And then there's also two bolts right here for the ignition. Now once you get everything loosened, go ahead and take this bolt off, this nut. You can easily just pull your stock triple tree off like this, set it out of the side, out of the way, and then grab your new nice minty looking one, slide it on just like that. Go ahead and put this nut back on. Definitely recommend torquing it to spec or just giving it a couple good ooga doogas. Use your own discretion. Then there's also two little bolts as well just on either side that you want to go ahead and tighten as well. I'm just getting it finger tight for now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bolts and the riser and see what that looks like. Although I highly recommend installing the riser onto the triple clamp before you put the triple clamp onto the forks. Now this is what it looks like once it's on. Make sure you tighten the bottom of this bar riser on the triple clamp before you slide it on. It makes it a lot easier and you don't have to worry about tools getting in under there. And then after that, go ahead and take your bars, put them in, put the top on, and tighten them snug. Do a cross pattern as well. And then from there you can get on your bike, kind of like so. And you can adjust your bars to your comfortable riding position. I couldn't remember how mine used to be, but as I was adjusting, I noticed they felt comfortable pretty much anywhere. So I just found the spot that worked real quick. Went ahead and made sure they were snug. And then you also want to look right here and here for the bar indicators. Make sure they're even. And this is pretty much what it looks like once it's done. I still have some wires I need to clean up and stuff like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab the stock triple clamp, pull it out, and take out the two bolts in the back so that I could find a place to mount my ignition. There's one bolt here with the star pattern and one over here, if you can see it. Just loosen those up and should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you.